Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use a nail excavator. This is a device, a tool to lift ingrown nails. But first, just as a manicure is all about taking care of your hands, a pedicure involves taking care of your feet. Trained specialists devote themselves fully and completely to foot care. To do so, they use special tools for foot care, of course. Obviously, you too get the best result with high quality tools. For example, like here, this tool is made from remos. It is a good brand for professional body care. But what is an ingrown nail? An ingrown nail, also known as onychocryptosis, this comes from the Greek language. It is a common form of nail diseases. It is an often painful condition in which the nail grows so that it cuts into one or both sides of the peroneum or nail bed. While ingrown nails can occur in the nails of both the hands and the feet, they occur most commonly with the toenails. And for the most part are only problematic and painful on the big toe. And my big toe has ingrowing nails. Not all the time, but often, really often. And I use for this a nail excavator to prepare and clean the two nails under it. It is an all-rounder. The remos nail excavator is ideally suited for ingrown toenails, cuticle, and nail residues are easy to remove. It is a perfect pedicure tool. The double-sided nail lifter has an inverted cut to ensure each nail can be threaded perfectly. It has a high quality surface and body too. The nail excavator is made of stainless steel of high quality and it's therefore very durable. The length is 17 centimeters. These are 6.7 inches. And straight or round you can choose. I am using here straight. This is a professional tool to lift up your nails on the side, in priority the sides, to lift up the ingrown toenails, but it will not completely remove your ingrown toenails. For this, you will need a scissor or another device like an fail or something else. But this is an additional thing. This is the first striker to begin to remove this. Here you can see we are now getting another device to help. The first thing is we will elevate up the toenail a little bit, and then we can use another, for example, another tool to remove the ingrown toenail. A nipper, for example, a file, a cutter, or a scissor, of course. But the best thing is to have a team out of this tool, an excavator, and another clipper, another tool itself, which is going to remove the ingrown nail. If you do not can handle this, go to a doctor. A doctor will use will cut your nail out of it. But this is not the good thing. I think so. It is better to make this by your own because it's pain free, nearly pain free, and it's easy to do, and you can remove the ingrown toenail once a month. This is enough. And use for this special device, this special tool to prepare ingrown nails with this pedicure instrument of the excavator. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.